just joining us, welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad. Fantasyland at Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated. Keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. As always, keep an eye on your little ones. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. There's plenty of deer, antelope, and elk along the banks of the river. Many early settlers decided to put down stakes and live here too. Of course, those early settlers weren't the first to make their home in this wild frontier. These native tribes were living, hunting, and trading for centuries before we ever came along. They were the first to take the wild horses of the American plains.
Remain seated for your safety, folks. You have to have a train instruction. Once again, keep those feet and legs inside the cars, please, for your safety.
We're almost out of the woods, folks. We're coming up on the most magical of lands, Fantasyland. A place where any dream will come true. Fly over London with Peter's hand. 7-day longing's a small world. Take a trip under the sea with the Little Mermaid. Be our guest at an enchanted feast in the beast's castle. Or journey into the seven forest mine, where a million diamonds shine. Whether you're a pixie, a princess, or just an everyday dreamer, there's always something special about Fantasyland.
You know you're working, all right?
This is the place to fly high with Dumbo, or join Goofy on the Barnstormer, a rollicking ride of circus acrobatics and coaster thrills. This station is also your gateway to the rest of Fantasyland and Tomorrowland. Now, please wait for the train is and carry your strollers away from the platform before you start unfolding them. That way we can start loading up for the next leg of our trip. Watch your step. Thanks for traveling with us on the Walt Disney World Railroad. Join us again real soon. If you're still aboard our next stop, Main Street Station.
As we enter Fantasyland Station, please remain fully seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. You hear a single listen.